In this video, I'll go over ways on how to not get limited on PrizePicks. So there are basically 5 ways you can avoid being limited. Now, first of all, none of these are guaranteed since operators reserve the right to limit anyone, but common approaches include mixing your plays, so don't only hammer soft lines, add some casual looking picks, then vary your entry sizes, avoid always maxing out stakes, stick to smaller, less consistent amounts, then play popular markets too, so mix in mainstream props with niche finds, then avoid robotic timing, don't instantly place bets every time a new line drops, this looks like line scraping, and don't abuse promotions since overusing bonus offers or risk-free promos can flag your account. Now basically, if you cost them too much money, they often are going to limit your account. So what you cannot control, PrizePicks can still limit or ban at their discretion, it's in their terms of service. If you are a long-term winner, it's often just a matter of time, and unfortunately if that happens, you will need to be looking for an alternative such as FanDuel. So now you know 5 ways that you can avoid being limited in PrizePicks, but again these are not guaranteed, and if you are a long-term winner, it's often just a matter of time. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.